what is deepening techniques? At least one and sometimes all the following techniques must be employed effectively to increase a subject's hypnotic depth. You have induced hypnoidal स्टेट आपने इंड्यूस की, बट आप उसको डीपन भी करना है, डीपन करना है, डीपन करना है, डीपन करना है, क्योंकि आप जितना डीप ले जाएंगे उतना ही आप इफेक्टिवली थेरेपी कर पाएंगे, और जितना टाइम लगाएंगे उतनी ही ज्यादा देर आप थेराप्यूटिक इनपुट दे सकते हैं. सो इनिशियली क्या करते हैं हम? रैपो एस्टैब्लिश करते हैं एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज रैपो एस्टैब्लिशमेंट. Each of you know it. If anybody doesn't know, please raise your hand. Everyone knows about establishing the rapport. So we establish the rapport, making the client feel they have been heard. This is one of the most useful technique of establishing the rapport, to make the person feel that the client is heard. Through eye contact, by nodding, by paraphrasing, by repeating, and actually not acting, but actually listening. Active listening आपको करनी है, तभी आप actually सही तरह से नोट कर पाएंगे, सही तरह से पैराफ्रेज कर पाएंगे. Removing the fear of loss of control. क्लाइंट आके पूछेगा कि मैं वापस आ पाऊंगा कि नहीं, मैं ऐसा तो नहीं अपने सीक्रेट्स बता दूंगा, मैं ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप मेरे माइंड को कंट्रोल कर लेंगे, ऐसा तो नहीं कि मैं सब कुछ भूल जाऊंगा, कुछ याद नहीं रहेगा मुझे, मेरा नाम याद रहेगा कि नहीं, मेरे बचपन के सारे इंसिडेंट्स याद रहेंगे कि नहीं. सो इस तरह के बहुत उनको मिथ्स होते हैं, फियर्स होते हैं. तो ये सारे फियर्स को आपको दूर करना पड़ेगा. आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि एट नो पॉइंट, वो जो हमने आपको बताया था ना, वेकिंग के पहले और स्लीपिंग के पहले वाली जो स्टेज होती है वो हिप्नोइडल, और आप रोज जाते हैं, इट्स अ नेचुरल स्टेज. तो क्या आप भूल जाते हैं? क्या आप सब कुछ आपका कंट्रोल खत्म हो जाता है? नो. और जो सीक्रेट्स आप बताना चाहेंगे वो आप बताएंगे, जो नहीं बताना चाहते वो नहीं बताते. नहीं, आप मना कर सकते हैं कि हम ये बात शेयर नहीं करते. आपका इतना कॉन्शियस कंट्रोल रहता है. और वहीं हम यूज करते हैं हियर एंड नाउ, देन एंड देयर. व्हाट डज इट मीन? हियर एंड नाउ, देन एंड देयर का क्या मतलब है? व्हाट इज मेंट बाय in hypnosis? Here and now and then and there are very important. So what is meant by here and now and then and there? Here and now and then and there का मतलब ये है कि आप यहाँ भी हैं और आप वहाँ भी हैं. तो आप you are aware about your current status, what is happening around you, and your situation and everything, your body, your situation and everything. And you are then and there, matlab wherever, through the instructions of the therapist, through the dialogue of the therapist, you are being taken. Maybe you are taken as a 4-year-old child, maybe progression में हम उसको आपको आगे 5 साल ले जा सकते हैं. पुराने इंसिडेंट्स अगर आप याद आपको आते हैं, you go back. Regression अगर होता है 4-year-old, 10 years old, 15 years old, you yourself go there and then you are there. So you are talking about that stage of life. You are describing what is happening at that point of time. At the same time, you are aware of what is happening right now, because you are listening to whatever the therapist is saying. You are aware as to where you are. So you are aware about your current here and now situation. At the same time, you are then and there where the stage where the therapy needs to happen or the intervention needs to happen, right? So that is the concept of here and now and then and there. And as you go deeper and deeper, your then and there awareness increases and here and now awareness decreases. Yet, almost all the time, you are in so much of control that if you don't want to share your secrets, you will not share. But a lot of times you want to share because that is the kind of confidence you have with the therapist, and you want to share to heal yourself. But if you don't want, then you will not. A lot of times it comes, ma'am, I don't want to share it. It's okay. And the biggest beauty of hypnotherapy is that even without sharing the secrets, we do the healing. And I think in the first session with Suchitra, we did that. And we often do it in these group sessions where the client doesn't want to share, but the healing is immense. Healing is immense. A lot of transformation occurs even when you do not know anything about what has happened. You don't know any detail. Because हमारे instructions फिर इस तरह से होते हैं कि हम उससे कहते हैं कि ठीक है, whatever is happening, you release it. You know what you want to release. You know what is happening now. Your mind knows. जैसे अभी हमने सुशांत को भी ये instructions दिए थे. Your mind knows what you want to release and release all that your mind wants to release. It was a group session. I didn't want to ask Sushant as to what he wants to release. Right? And it happened. You were able to release Sushant. You were breathing out and you were able to release, and therefore you felt so calm after the session. So despite that, we did not talk anything about your personal issue, about your secrets, but the healing happened. And that I really like about hypnotherapy. It's a beautiful therapy that way. Removing the fear of loss of control, providing a conducive environment. Next. Counting down or visualizing going down stairs. So this is also one of the deepening techniques. आपने रिवर्स काउंट इंडक्शन में देखा था? आपने रिवर्स काउंट इंडक्शन में देखा था गोइंग डाउन द स्टेयर्स?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So reverse count induction, going down the stairs, all these are deepening techniques. Count down, visualizing going down stairs, utilizing laws of suggestibility, authority है, repetition है, reverse action है. ये सारे जो laws हैं ये आपको और deeper and deeper and deeper ले जाते हैं. Increasing time is spent in the hypnotic state. As I told you, the more the time you spend in taking the person induction and keeping the person in hypnotic state, the deeper the person goes and you can do the therapy well. Using and utilizing approach, utilization approach, every movement of the body sounds to be utilized for deepening as we just did. आइज फ्लटर कर रही हैं, अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन भी किया. ड्राई थ्रोट हो रहा है तो यू कैन यूज इट and that will further take the client deeper. Using loops and language patterns, the harder you try, the less you can. The deeper you go, the more you relax, and the more you relax, the deeper you go. Successfully challenging the subject, I shut challenge. 1 and 2 आपने reverse count induction में इसको भी किया है ना? At 1 you open the eyes, at 2 you close the eyes. So never think कि अगर उसके दौरान थेरेपी के दौरान या when you are taking the client to the deeper state and the client opens the eyes, it's going to disturb the hypnotic sleep या hypnoidal state. Actually you use it for your advantage. The moment you open your eyes, you go deeper and deeper and you feel like closing the eyes. कभी कभी मान लीजिए आपको बाथरूम आ गई and you want to go to the toilet, so आप वहां पे भी कह सकते हैं कि and the client says कि I want to go to the toilet, तो आप वहां पे एक उसको क्लू दे दीजिए and as I say 0, you go to a deep hypnoidal state and now you are going to open your eyes and you will go to the toilet, and once you come back and as I say 0, you will again go to the same stage of hypnoidal state. ठीक है, अब वहां पे और ज्यादा वो डीप पर चला जाएगा. That is the power of subconscious mind and suggestions. Rapid reactional hypnosis, repeatedly awakening the subject and rehypnotizing. ये भी हमने उसको वो किया, जैसे अभी हमने बोला ना कि अगर वो वापस आ जाता है, अवेक हो जाता है, तो उसको रीहिप्नोटाइज करना और डीपनिंग डीपर ले जाता है. So repeatedly awakening the subject and rehypnotizing is also one of the techniques to take the client into a deeper state. Further deepening techniques क्या हैं? Building rapport or establishing the atmosphere of the therapeutic relationship is completely the responsibility of the therapist. A display of sound self-confidence in the therapeutic process is essential for developing trust and positive expectation in the client's mind. आप ये कभी नहीं कहेंगे कि I will try and I will see कि तुम्हारा ये ठीक होता है कि नहीं. तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस आपका उसका शेक हो जाएगा. तो सजेस्टिबिलिटी कहाँ से आएगी? क्योंकि हिप्नोथेरेपी इज वर्किंग ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सजेस्टिबिलिटी. आप सीबीटी में ये कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट इन हिप्नोथेरेपी. यू शुड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस and you have to speak to the client with confidence, which will increase the suggestibility and will help in healing. A display of sound self-confidence in the therapeutic process is essential for developing trust and positive expectation in the client's mind. It is particularly important not to display an attitude of egotism or dominance, because so many of the myths surrounding hypnosis include ideas of dominance and control. If you are showing confidence, it should be genuine also. It's not कि आपने बस दिखाने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस दिखा दिया. You should have a trust within you. You should have a confidence within you also. Because if you are going with positive intention, you will definitely help the client. You will definitely help the client. The client will definitely feel relaxed after the session. Okay? So आपको अपनी बोस्टिंग नहीं करनी है. मेरे जैसा कोई थेरेपिस्ट नहीं है और मैं नहीं कर पाया तो कोई नहीं कर पाएगा. Not this kind of confidence. No egotism. Okay? No this kind of confidence. No this kind of dominance. It should be a genuine dominance. It should be a genuine confidence. It should be, you should be humble at the same time. Yes, I'm here to help you. Let's work together. It's a collaborative process. You work with me, you cooperate with me, and we'll definitely find solutions. You will definitely improve. Never make ridiculous statements such as, I can control your mind. You are under my power. और you will obey my suggestions. Obey my suggestions नहीं कहेंगे आप इस तरह की. कंट्रोलिंग वाले इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस को कभी नहीं बोलिएगा. I can control your mind, never. And you are not going to control the mind. You are not supposed to control the mind. Never tell a subject that they cannot hear sounds around. अभी मैंने आपको ये बताया था, ये मत कहिएगा कि आपको कोई surround sound सुनाई नहीं पड़ेगी. You have to say that this surround sound is going to help you focus more on my voice.